Afternoon everyone, and welcome back to AJ Source Photography. Today I'm going to do another Milky Way edit. Now this was taken at Boulderhead Reservoir in the northeast of England. It's taken with me D500 with a 16 to 80 lens f2.8. As you can see from the settings up here, ISO 4000, and it was a 15-second exposure. All I'm going to do is basically run through what I do to get this to be just a little bit nicer, so you can see the Milky Way a bit more. I'm not going to go into using any of the things at the top. You know what I mean? I'm not going to use the adjustment brushes or anything like that. I'm just going to edit the photo using these sliders here and probably the detail and stuff, seeing as it's quite noisy. So where to start? I've done my lens correction as normal, so we can shut that down, and then it's just a case of seeing what we want to do. So ideally, as you can see, the Milky Way going up through the middle, so you want to bring that out a bit. So what's the easiest way to do it? Well, for me, start off, hit auto. If you don't like it, or you think it's going to be too much work, that's fine. Personally, I don't like it, so I'm just going to hit reset. Lens correction, start again. So what to do? So we want the whites bringing out, and we want the dark bits through the middle, and maybe a bit more colour. So first of all, I'm going to put the exposure up a tad, and then I'm going to put the highlights up to bring a few more stars out, and the whites up. And as you can see, it's all starting to come up quite nice, but you want the darks a little bit darker, and now it's starting to come through. Bring the shadows down, and again it's coming through. I'm just going to dehaze it a little, a bit of clarity, bring the texture up a bit. So from what we started out at to what we are now, already it's starting to look a lot nicer. But you can see there is colours in this. This isn't a stacked image, it's a one shot. But as you can see, there is colour in there, so I'm just going to bring the colours up. Let's see if we can get some more colour into it. And as you bring the vibrance up, I'll take it up to 40, and then we'll bring the saturation up a tad as well. Yeah, it's just starting to come through. Right, I'm going to darken it a tad more. Bring the lights up a bit more. Oh, that's not bad at all, that. Considering what we started out with. It's not bad at all. Right, let's go down to the detail. As you can see, it's quite noisy, so simple, click on your noise reduction. Now you could take it all the way up and get rid of a lot of noise, but then as you can see, your photo, it looks a bit iffy. So personally, I usually take it to about 50. And check it from there. So at 50, yeah, I think that's quite alright. Maybe a bit less. Yeah. Bit of contrast in. Sharpening, we'll put a little bit of sharpening on it. I'm going to reduce the radius down to half a pixel. And a little bit of mask. I quite like that, considering what we started out with. I mean, it's not bad. And I haven't used any of these. I mean, I have done other tutorials on how to do Milky Way shots where you use the adjustment brushes, and I'll basically paint over the light parts and the dark bits to bring them out even more. You can do this, but it's like anything else, it's subjective. It's your photo, your edit. It's how you want to do it and how you want to see it. There's nothing wrong with that. And if people don't like the way you're editing your photos, well, that's their problems. So that's it, guys. Quick one, this one. I'll see you on the next one. See you later. Bye now.